Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Amazon. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to amazon.com and make sure you have logged in as well. To start this tutorial, open another tab. And then in here, search for Chrome Web Store. Then hit enter. Once you're here, click on the first link that appears over the search results. In here, over at Chrome Web Store, you will now use the search bar. And then search for the application Night Eye. In here, scroll down, or look for the application that says Dark Mode Night Eye. The one that's made by nighteye.app. Once you find it, click on the button that says Add to Chrome. And then click on Add Extension in the pop-up. Once you're here, wait for the application to finish loading and wait for it to finish adding itself to Chrome. As you can see, it is now part of a Chrome extension. You can go ahead and read the description about Night Eye. But for the gist, it just says, "Thank you for installing Night Eye." Once you're here, and then you go over and go to Amazon, click on the jigsaw puzzle on the upper right and then turn on Night Eye. Click on Try for Free button for the meantime. Once you go to dark, just click on it, and then as you can see, Amazon.com is now in dark mode. And again, you can do this for every other website that you have over at your Google Chrome. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.